So I don't know if you heard, but you won't be able to take this on the cruise ship with you, nor is there one in every room. But don't worry, I do have 3 things that will help you and your family with your laundry while you're on the ship. Number 3, they do have self-service laundry rooms. Now, they don't have these on every single floor, so you can look on the back of your stateroom door, which has that map, and it'll tell you where those are located. Or you can ask your room steward where's the closest one to your room. I'm sure they will be more than happy to point you in the right direction. In the self-service laundry rooms, you are allowed to iron for free, and you can wash and dry your clothes for a fee that you can take right off of your Sail and Sign card. I did want you to keep in mind that the self-service laundry rooms can get a little bit crowded, especially on days like sea days when everybody's already walking around the ship looking for something to do. A lot of people will wash their clothes. Or if it's a formal night that day or the day before, a lot of people will rush there to iron their shirts, their suits. So it might be better to go late at night, go when you first get on the ship so that way you can iron your clothes and hang them up. Do whatever you got to do. But do keep in mind certain times are busy. Number 2, the paid laundry service. Now we are on vacation, and if you want that complete vacation experience where you're not washing any clothes but you still want it done, use the paid laundry service. If I'm not mistaken, if you are a platinum or diamond member, that service does come free to you. But don't quote me, I have to check on that. But outside of that, know that if you got it like that, somebody will get the job done. But the number 1 thing, and this is my favorite option, would be Downy Wrinkle Release Spray. When I first found out on the ships that they didn't have irons, I started doing research of what I could use, so that way I wouldn't be walking around with wrinkles. And Downy Wrinkle Release Spray really does get the job done. It only takes a couple sprays. The spray actually smells really, really good too. You just stretch the garment out a little bit, rub it around in it, and for the most part, those wrinkles do really release. The Wrinkle Release Spray does come in travel size bottles, so they are perfect to take with you and just pop in your liquids bag when you're flying. You can find them at Target, Walmart, or in my Amazon storefront under travel must-haves. I did just very quickly want to drop in an honorable mention of a product called Stink Suds. Stink Suds is just another really good product to be able to travel and cruise with, just because if you're traveling with small children, if you're somebody who doesn't like to come home with dirty underwear, then it's always a good idea to be able to use Stink Suds in your sink. Go ahead and get your garments, your swimsuits and things taken care of. You can hang them up in the bathroom, or hey, if you got a balcony, then that's a free dryer right there. Stink Suds is also linked in my Amazon storefront under travel must-haves if you're looking. But yeah, I hope this video was helpful to somebody out there. If so, let me know down below in the comments. Drop a cruise emoji to show your girls some love and follow for more travel content. Bye!